Hi, welcome back. This is author D.S. Spice. Today I'm going to talk about yet another technique of manifestation, and the manifestation technique of today that we are going to talk about is known as 3 questions. Now, when you come around answering these 3 questions, you get into the vibration of progression, continuous progression. So let's see what are these questions. Okay, the first question is freedom. You need to ask this question to yourself. What does freedom mean to you? Okay, what are the activities that when you do all those activities, you feel a sense of freedom? What are the different activities that come to your mind and that give you a sense of freedom? So you need to list down those activities. Let's say, for example, I get a lot of freedom when I spend a lot of time with my family members, my spouse. I get a lot of freedom to do many things that I want to do. So that's when there is a freedom of speech, and there is no hindrance about anything. Okay, the other things are like for us in Singapore, the free facilities that are available. Like if you go to the library, you can select a range of books. So that's free. There where I enjoy my freedom. So you need to list down the different activities that make you feel that you're very free. And you need to do those activities very often. It could be as simple as maybe like you like to go to a spa session, then that gives you complete freedom, like the freedom of peace. You need to do that often. So pick up a few activities and make a list. Maybe this would take some time to come up with a list of all the activities that you think give you a sense of freedom. Okay, make a list of that. So that is step 1. Okay, step 2 is accumulation. Accumulation is something like you need to ask this question: what am I accumulating now? Over a period of time, what have I accumulated? Is it that I have accumulated friendships? Is it that I have accumulated my hobbies? Maybe like you like to collect coins or stamps. I don't know, whatever your hobbies are. Or maybe for some people it could just be fountain pens. Anything. So what are you accumulating? You make a list of all the items that you are accumulating. Maybe like for me it's like books. I love to read books. I just accumulated over the years. So for me it's that, or it could even be the amount of time that you spend on your fitness activities. Could be like you're counting the steps on your Fitbit. So what are you accumulating over a period of time? You need to make a list of that. It could be that it could be also that you're accumulating, you're spending a lot of time on fitness and maybe like this what is that? Some kind of dieting or whatever it is, where you are accumulating a number of hours and there is some kind of progress. Maybe for me it's like more like I keep reading and reading. So that is the accumulation activity for me. So I do not know what are the things that you are fond of. So you need to make a list of the activities that you have accumulated over a period of time. Make a list. Step 2. The last but not the least, advancement. What are the things that you have picked up over a period of time and you have advanced? What are the areas that you have shown progress? It could be any skill set. It could be like, or maybe like you picked up knitting and you are doing designer, you're doing good at knitting. It could also be probably that you're doing good at your career. Could be that. So list down the activities that in which you have advanced over a period of time. It could be like it could be even time management. Maybe you are able to juggle the time and do well at it. It could be that, or it could be that over a period of time you've given yourself time towards fitness, and you're doing well there. You can list down all those activities. Or even like it could be like maybe you have read so many books, like now just glance a page and you finish, you're done. Speed of reading, that also could be. So what have you advanced over a period of number of years, or maybe like whatever is significantly that you remember that you have progressed. So you need to make a list. So now you have made 3 lists. One list is for the freedom, one list is for the accumulation, and one list is for the advancement. Now you have to combine all the 3 and make a master list. So when you make this master list, you enter into the vibration mode of progression, because you have listed down all those activities where you are feeling a sense of progression. There's a sense of freedom. It's a sense of activities that you have mastered over a period of number of years, number of hours maybe. So you have come up with this master list. Now, after you write down, probably there could be some activities which could come in all the 3 categories maybe. So you can just baseline it as one and list down the activities that make a master list of these activities and start doing them. You see this list and start doing them constantly, like whatever list you have prepared from these 3 questions, and do them as often as you can. So that's when you enter the vibrational mode, higher vibrational mode of progression, and you need to keep that list and probably like enhance that list as you go on. What are the, maybe like when you have mastered this list, you come up with different things where you are experiencing freedom. Maybe you can add to this list. So this is the way that we are entering the mode of vibration of progression, and this is the technique of manifestation known as the 3 questions. Thank you very much, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. See you soon.